All right, Green Bay memorabilia collectors. This is the video to find the winners of mini number 1 for John's Rogers inscribed helmet. So we'll check the time, August 26th at 9:39 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have August 26th at 9:39 p.m. There's the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then in this one, we're looking for the top 3 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, now looking for the top 3. Here we go. Good luck. It is Chris, Daniel, Landon. You guys will all win spots in the main, so get with John to claim your spots. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, August 26th, 9:40 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.